Why is it so important to hire a contractor to fix my home's foundation that has the C-61/D-30 pile driving license? Everyone, welcome to another episode of Foundation Repair. You ask, we answer. Today's question is, why is it so important to hire a contractor to fix my home's foundation that has the C-61/D-30 pile driving license?
So what that C-61/D-30 does is it verifies that our crews, our company is certified and licensed to do the work. So what that work entails would be installing helical piers, push piers, any type of piering system that requires for homes or projects that require stabilization or attempts to lift.
Yeah, and to expand a little bit on what Alex was saying, it also is encompassing like caisson work, any deep pile foundation work. That's what that C-61/D-30 encompasses. So like Alex was saying, it's very important because it's very specialty and very specialized. The people that have that license, that's the work we do day in, day out. We're not just a general contractor, but we are. But that, we're building something, remodeling homes, and then all of a sudden we're going to do foundation repair on the side. We don't. This is strictly what our company does, and this is our specialty, and this is a license that is needed to make sure that your project is done perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. Thank you. Thank you, Alex.
Thank you.
And thank you guys for joining us on another episode of You Ask,
We Answered.